guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be a fun video because I got this bag of goodies. I know what's in here, but you don't right now, so it's gonna be fun. But first, if you are new or you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to hit that red subscribe button up there, like this video, and hit the little bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So do that to be part of my Unicorn Squad. That's what I call my subscribers, Unicorn Squad. So if you do all that, comment down below and you're a part of my Unicorn Squad. Yeah. Okay. So let's get on to the video. Woo! Okay. So I guess I gotta tell you what's in here. These are fidget toys, a whole bunch of fidget toys that I just put in a bag, a little cute monkey bag. Anyways, I'm gonna pull them out one by one, tell you what they do, and a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being really bad and 10 being awesome. Okay, so yeah, let's just do this. Okay, this one is not really my favorite. It's basic. It's just a globe squishy ball, like a stress ball. I'd say this is like a 4 or 5 on a scale from 1 to 10 because it's squishy and stuff, but all you can do is squeeze it, which I need because I get stressed out. But still, yeah. Okay, this one is, I don't know the exact name of this one. I just know that I like it. I'll call it a snake. Don't worry, guys. I didn't break it. It goes back together like this. And then you just like play with it and bend it, and it keeps coming up out, but it's not broken, you guys. There we go. There we go. Okay, whatever. It's not broken. So I'll say this is like a 6 because it's, you can do more. You can like bend it all different ways and stuff, and it snaps apart and snaps back together, and you can connect these together and stuff. So yeah. Next one is this ring toss game thingy. Now, I got most of these off of Amazon, so I didn't know what to expect. So, this little toy that you try to get the rings on. I don't know how this is a stress reliever. This is probably more stressful because you have to try to get the rings on, and it's not my favorite, so I would probably give this like a 2 or 3. It's kind of fun, but it's definitely not a stress reliever. Okay, let's see what else in my bag of goodies. It's pulled out. Okay, but this is, I'm sorry you all know what this is. It used to glow, but it broke, I guess. And if you guys don't know what this is, you're too young. It's a fidget spinner. If you don't know what this is, you were born like this year or last year. But anyways, yeah, it's just, I give it a 10 because I like spinning it. Now I know most people give it a lower score, but I like spinning it and I like spinning things. So, yeah. Give that a 10. Next item is another one of these things. It's the same thing, so again, I'd give this like a 6 or 7. Because it's fun. Okay, next, now I think you gotta get these little black balls into these little triangles, but again, it's just, and again, I got most of these things off of Amazon, so I didn't know what to expect. Hey, I got one. But, yeah, this is kind of fun. So I'd probably give this like a 6 because it's fun, but it's not as stress reliever like the other one I showed you. Next thing, another fidget spinner. This one is purple though. I mean, pink. I don't know my colors. Yes, I do, guys. It doesn't work very well though because the other side is missing from it, so, but it still works pretty good. And again, I'd give this one a 10 because I like spinning these things. Okay, so what do I got here next? These squishy, stretchy thingies. This is one of the things I got on Amazon, and all you can do is like squeeze it and stretch it. So I'd probably give it like a 5 because like I can't really do much with it. I can just squeeze it and stretch it, and that's about it. So I'd give that a 6. So next we have this little, I don't even know what to call this thing. It's a little marble in a mess sort of thing, and you can just roll it. You can like do a bunch of things with it, like you can put the marble up and down with your fingers. You can twist it. You can do that with it. So this is kind of fun, I guess. I'd give it a 7 maybe. Ooh, look. I'd give it a 7 because it's a little fun. It's not that like fun, but it's something to fidget with, something that I always need because I'm always fidgeting on desks and whatnot. Okay, good. So next thing, squishy football that I just dropped. So, same thing as the globe, I'll give this like a 5 because like I said, I can't really do anything with it except for like squeeze it, because it's a stress ball. I mean, you can't really do anything else with it, but I still give it like a 5 because there's other fidget stuff that you can do more with. Like this, for example. This, I know what this is. This is a fidget cube. I love this thing. It's so cool. It has a switch. Well, I'm sure a lot of you know what a fidget cube is. It has buttons, clicky buttons, and quiet buttons. It has this thing that you can rotate. And it has this ball you can push in and these gears you can roll. And this thing you can spin around. Yeah, I really like it. I give it a 9 because it's not my favorite, but I do like it a lot. This one's my favorite. I mean, this side is my favorite. So, yeah. Next is Rubik's Cube. Again, got it from Amazon. Didn't know what to expect. I give this a 0 because I do not like Rubik's Cubes. And I don't know how this is stress relieving. If you know how this is stress relieving, let me know down below. So next is, this is probably my favorite one. This is an infinity cube. It has 6 sides. And you can fidget with it and make. Well, it only goes like one way, but I don't know why it's so entertaining, but I give this a 10 because, I don't know, it's so entertaining for some reason. So, yeah. Is another fidget spinner. This one though is like pink with bell, so it's like a Disney one. This is my favorite one because that looks really cool. This gem fell out of one of my other fidget spinners, by the way, and I can't get it out. It's stuck in there. But it looks really cool on camera. So, yeah, 10. I think I only got a few more in here. I already reviewed these, and there's kind of a lot of them, so I'm not going to keep going over them. So, again, I think I rated this stuff. I think I rated this a 4 or 5, somewhere around there. And next we have, I don't know what this is, but I think it's like the Rubik's Cube, but you can put it any way you want, I guess. So yeah. I'd probably give this a 7 because I don't know how to put it back together, but it's kind of fun to do that. And this is a fidget rings, I think they're called. And you can, like it said in the thing, you can fidget with them. So I'd give this one like a 6 probably, because like I don't, because yeah, because it's not like super fun, but it's something to do with your hands. Next one. This is like the fidget cube, but it's better. It has more things to do. These are the little clicky buttons. You have 2 clicky buttons, or 3 clicky buttons, and 2 clicky buttons and 2 silent buttons. There we go. And then you have the little switch thingy. And then you have the little spinner thing. Then you have the little joystick. Sorry if you can't see it. Little joystick. And then you have this thing that you roll. That thing right there that you can roll. And then this thing that you can, I think, you can also roll that. And then you can flick this up and down like that. So I'd give this a 10. I give this a 10 because I really like this a lot. So far the fidget cube and the fidget game controller win so far. Okay, so next I have another one of these things. Again, I gave this like a 7 because like I don't know how to put it back together, and yeah. So yeah, I give that a 7. Next, watch guys, this is awesome. It's like a fidget spinner, kind of. Look. Satisfying. So I think this is a 10, even though you can't really do anything besides spin them. But like I said, I like the fidget spinners, and I like the fidget things you can do with it. So yeah, 10. And we have another one of these things. Again, I think I gave it like a 7 because, yeah, because it's really fun to like roll your finger up and down with. So yeah. And then I have I was trying to find it. A fidget ring, I think it's called. And this is just, you just roll up and down your finger. Which I guess, if you're in class or something and you have nothing to do, you can roll it up your finger. So I'll give this an 8 probably, cause I like to fidget a lot, and these are pretty much all good for that, but this is intentionally for what I want. So, yeah, give that a 8. Then I have another one of these rings. Again, I think I gave it a 7. I have duplicates of a lot because I got this package from Amazon, so. Then I have one of these other squishy thingies. I don't remember what I rated them. I think I rated it a 5, maybe. I don't know. And then last 2 things. I didn't try these yet because you have to add water to them. But I think they're going to be therapeutic. They're water beads. The bigger ones and the smaller ones. Now, I can't rate these because I haven't used them yet. But I think they're gonna be therapeutic, so my prediction rating is a 10. And so guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and comment down below which one you would get. So, and let me make a goal for this video. Let's try to get this video to, now this is kind of going to be a high amount because I've never gotten this amount on a YouTube video before, but I know you guys can do it. Let's make it 1,000. If we can get this video to at least 1,000 likes, then I'll probably do a video on what I got for my birthday or something. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and